Wait, don't scroll. If you have never smelled fresh Nigerian Banga stew before, you are about to wish you were in my kitchen. Today, I'm bringing a taste of home to Dakar, Senegal. Every ingredient is going into this pot with love, from the seasoned meat to the smoked fish, rich palm fruit sauce, and those delicious traditional spices. Just look at that color, absolutely beautiful. My grandmother would always say, nobody starts cooking as an expert. The more you cook, the more confident and better you will become with cooking. Every mistake you make in the kitchen will teach you something and it will help you to improve. So don't give up on cooking. Keep showing up in the kitchen, and with time, cooking will become easier, more enjoyable, and you will be proud of how far you have come. Hello, bestie. From washing the banga to pounding, kitchen is smelling so good already. We are making rich, flavorful Nigerian banga stew right here in Dakar, Senegal. Watch as every ingredient comes together to create that beautiful palm fruit flavor we all love. If you have never tasted banga stew before, today is the day to fall in love with it. And if you already know this dish, you already know the aroma alone can make everyone run to the kitchen. Now tell me in the comments, what would you enjoy with this banga stew? White rice, starch, eba, or boiled yam? Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more delicious African recipes in my kitchen. Today I'm pounding my yellow and green scotch bonnet pepper, crayfish, onions, and the locust beans. This isn't just food, it is comfort in a bowl. The aroma filling in my kitchen is enough to make everyone ask, is the food ready yet? Now the stew is bubbling perfectly, thick, rich, and packed with flavor. Imagine pouring this over hot white rice or enjoying it with soft starch. Every bit is pure happiness. As this beautiful pot simmers, every ingredient is telling its own story. The tender meat, the smoked fish, the rich palm fruit sauce, and those delicious spices coming together in perfect harmony. I always say that good food isn't just about eating. It is about love, family, and creating memories around the table. And this banga stew is one of those meals that brings everyone together. There is something so special about cooking a meal that reminds you of home. Today, my kitchen in Dakar, Senegal is filled with the rich aroma of authentic Nigerian banga stew. If I could, I would invite every one of you to my table today. Until then, enjoy this recipe with me and let me know in the comments, would you enjoy your banga stew with white rice, starch, eba, or boiled yam? Just look at how rich, smooth, and inviting it is. Can you imagine taking that very first spoonful? Pure happiness is every bite. If this video made you hungry, don't keep it to yourself. Leave a love in the comments. Tell me what you would eat this banga with, and follow for more delicious Nigerian recipe made right here in Dakar, Senegal. See you in my next cooking adventure. I love you all. Thank you for cooking with me. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more delicious Nigerian recipes made with love right here in Dakar, Senegal. See you in my next video. I hope this recipe inspires you to cook something special for the people you love. If this video made you smile or made you hungry, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more homemade Nigerian recipes here in my kitchen. Until next time, keep cooking with love, keep sharing kindness, and may your meals always bring joy to your table. See you in my next video. Bye bye.